What do we got here?
Volume 2 holocrons.
Volume 2 holocrons. And you know what that means, everybody? This is going to be a single opening video because we only do more than one when we get dupes. And this is brand new, so no dupes. Whatever we get will be brand new.
Alright, hopefully it's good. Matt, you know what would be super cool? Imagine our first one was super, super good.
We'll see. All right, so what's it going to be here?
1.
1-1.
Just 1.
All right. Here we go. Awesome as always.
Oh wow, that actually looks pink.
Yeah, I was going to say, I feel like the colors look different. I don't know if they are or not, but they appear to be to me. I don't know. All right, here we go.
What could it be? I mean, we know what they look like. You guys might not.
Here we go. And a rare out of the gate. Good. Look at that. And let's go right here.
A little older Obi-Wan.
Rare Obi Wan.
Yeah, not old, but not young.
Yeah, he's not the old man Obi Wan. But there he is. Look at that. Obi Wan Kenobi. And let's go back and check it out. Ooh, look, 29.95 out of 3,000. Right there. Right towards the end. But he looks great. This is it. This is exciting. Our first one. Let's see what else happens as we go. So, cube a day. You guys are probably going to get hopefully you get one a day for a while because we're filling up this collection of new stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. All right. We'll see you then.